everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Somya and happy Navratri to all of you. You all have been requesting me for a 9-day Navratri plan and today it is. First of all, wish you all a very happy Navratri. Wishing you all a great and a happy festival ahead because lots of festival season coming up. And yes, for this particular special festival, we have a 9-day diet plan that I'm going to share with you today. And also we are launching a specialized Diwali program on our application. So if you want to get ready and get into a certain shape before Diwali, you can definitely enroll for that program. You get detox diets, you can specialize workout, festive workouts, you get all the things like special diet related to Diwali for detox and everything, because you tend to get bloated on Diwali, so everything would be covered in that particular plan. So you get all the details in the description below, so click on the link and get enrolled for the program if you want to get fit before Diwali. And yes, let's get into 9 days Navratri diet plan for today. First and foremost thing, I highly recommend people who are doing fasting to keep them full all the time. You can figure out things that you can eat and make sure that you're eating all the time with your distributing them over a certain period of time. And fasting as well, you take care of your nutrition properly, because I've seen people not eating for long hours and then subjecting their body to a lot of food, and that can lead to high spikes in your blood sugar levels, and especially not recommended for diabetics, for people having high blood pressure. Please don't do this. Whenever you are fasting, there is a process to break your fast, there is a process to do everything. So make sure that you have divided your eating window in such a way that the fasting doesn't impairs your body or doesn't impairs your ailments that you have, and there is no sudden rise in blood sugar levels. So avoid eating too much of food after long hours of fasting. There is a certain process that you need to follow. Starting with early morning drink, we are going with apple cider vinegar, or you can go with lemon water. Then for breakfast, go for nut mix and kuttu ke aate ka chila. Kuttu atta is buckwheat, is readily available and is taken in the fasting. So you can go with that, and along with that you need to add coconut water. All of these are really important to keep you full for a longer period of time. Then midday snack, we go with any fruit like apple or papaya. They also give you a fulfilling feeling, along with the herbal tea, because along with herbal tea it can help you get great amount of antioxidants. Then we go for lunch for sabudana khichdi. Sabudana is quite popular. It's topiaka. Sabudana has a property to keep you full for a longer period of time. Along with that, you have to have cucumbers and tomato as a salad. Both of them will add antioxidant, great fiber. And after 2 hours, it's recommended to go with herbal tea again. When you keep hydrated throughout the day, it's easier to be on a fast and boosting your metabolism. After 1 hour, that is the last meal, go with peanut chaat. Peanut is healthy fats, and getting it in form of a chaat makes it very amazingly tasty. It will be the last meal of your day, so it will keep you full for a longer period of time and make sure that you don't feel hungry at the later part of the day. Then bedtime drink would be cinnamon milk. That will again help you get great anti-inflammatory properties, great antioxidants, and will help you boost your immunity. Now, early morning drink and midday snacks will remain same for every day, but we'll keep changing breakfast, lunch and dinner. For day 2, we're going with Amarnath or Rajgira flour porridge. It's very readily available, along with nut mix and coconut water. Then for lunch, we are going with same Rajgira upma, same flour, but we are making an upma out of it, along with some green salad. And for the last meal, that is the last meal that you consume before going to end your fast, will be the fruit salad. So again, completely balanced along with the midday snacks. It will give you a great feeling of fullness. Then for day 3, we are going with cornflakes, muesli with milk, keeping you full for a longer period of time. Then lunch, we are going with kuttu chapati, again buckwheat chapati along with green vegetable. Any green vegetable will do, but this will keep you full for a longer period of time, because these grains have the property to make you feel full for a longer period of time. Then for the last meal, we are going with roasted paneer. If you are lactose intolerant, you can go with roasted tofu. So just roast the paneer on the pan and add a little bit of masala. For day 4, we are going with sabudana poha, very yummy and tasty, along with some coconut water. Again, will keep you full for a longer period of time. For lunch, we are again going with kuttu ke aate ka chapati with green vegetable. Most of the time we are not using wheat flour, so we are using kuttu atta. Then for last meal we are going with sweet potato chaat. Sweet potato can be utilized in fasting window, so you can definitely go with that. For day 5 we are going with apple chia seed smoothie. This will keep you full for a longer period of time, making you giving enough fiber. Then for lunch again we are going with Amarnath flour or the Rajgira flour chila, or the pancakes. Very simple to make, very easy, very quick, and also keeps you full for a longer period of time. For last meal we are going with saute vegetable. Now saute vegetable will be the vegetables that are readily available at that particular time. You have to just saute them, add a little bit of lemon, and then you're good to go. For day 6 we are going with Rajgira khichdi. Again we are using lot of Rajgira like Amarnath flour and lot of kuttu, because that's what is readily available for the fasting period. So for lunch we are going with kuttu atta dosa. Make coconut chutney and tomato chutney along with that. It will make it really tasty. Then for last meal, go with vegetable soup. All the vegetables that are readily available, turn them into soup along with some roasted makhana. Will keep you full throughout the night. And then day 7 we are going with kuttu atta's pancake, like buckwheat pancake. And then for lunch we are going with sabudana khichdi, keeping you full for longer period time along with coconut water. Coconut water is again added a lot in your diet so that you feel full, you get energy throughout the day. The last meal would be peanut chaat, giving you energy and healthy fats as a combination, and again feeling full for the entire fasting window. Then day 8 we are going with fruits for breakfast. Fruits are great source of antioxidants and really important for you to add it in your meals. So yes, fruits. And then for lunch we are going with kuttu chapati with chutney. So again you can make dosa, chila, chapati, anything of your choice. It will make you feel good and energetic. Then last meal we are going with makhana chaat, very tasty, one of my personal favorite. I also have it whenever I'm not even on a fast or something. Then day 9 we are going with breakfast, banana apple smoothie, and along with that some Rajgira upma, that is the Amarnath flour upma. Then for lunch we are going with samak peanut rice, recipe of which you can find it on Google very easily. This is specialized flour made for fasting. And then for dinner we are going with roasted paneer or tofu according to the availability and preference. So yes, that's it for 9 days diet plan. So yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon along to never miss any update from my channel. And I'll see you in my next video very, very soon. And after following the Navratri fest, just lots and lots of wishes to everybody. Make sure that you send your lovely wishes for our GT family members as well in the comments below. So every day when you're done with the fast, please make sure that you comment below in the comment section. So because we want to spread this love and festivities all among us, and want to translate this happiness within ourselves and within our GET family as well. So yes, happy Navratri, take care of yourself, bye bye, stay fit, stay happy.